guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Clarissa, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make Chinese buffet style green beans. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so I have about 24 ounces of fresh green beans here that I've already rinsed and I've pat dry. Now when you're getting your green beans, you want to be looking for green beans that's thin like this, and you don't want to get the green beans that has the big seeds in them. And you also want to make sure when you're washing them that you pat them totally dry, because the last thing you want to do is put wet green beans into a pot full of hot oil. The next ingredient you're going to need is garlic, and you're going to need a lot of garlic for this recipe. As you can see, I have 2 bulbs of garlic here. And to make it easier for you guys to get the peel off the garlic, you might want to invest into getting a garlic peeler. And what a garlic peeler does is you would take a piece of garlic like this and you would stick it inside of your garlic peeler, and then you would just roll it around just like this. And when you pop it out, the skin is removed and you're just left with the garlic clove itself. So that's a pretty handy tool that you might want to invest in if you use garlic a lot. And you want to chop these pieces of garlic up. If you don't want to use the fresh garlic like I'm using, you can also use the jar, the minced garlic that's inside of the jar. But make sure when you're getting that garlic, you're getting the organic type, because the organic garlic doesn't have all of the additives inside that gives it that weird taste. So I'm gonna keep running my knife through this garlic like this, and when I get to the right consistency, I'll check back in. Okay guys, so I have my wok heating up on a medium high flame, and I'm just going to add in some oil. Now we're going to be cooking our green beans in this oil until the green beans start to blister. And when you're cooking your green beans, you want to cook it in small batches. Go ahead and pull those out. Okay guys, so I just took my last batch of green beans out, and now what you want to do is pour off all of your oil and only leave about a tablespoonful left in your pan. Okay guys, so my pan has been off for about 2 minutes, and I just put like a tiny bit of garlic inside just to see how fast it would burn in my pan, and I feel like it's okay to go ahead and add my garlic. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my garlic in. Now remember, your flame is still off guys. We're just cooking this garlic up on the residual heat of the pan. That way your garlic won't burn in your pan, and the oil that's left in the pan will just slowly be infused with that fresh garlic that you put inside. Okay, I'm just gonna push down. I'm just gonna taste a little piece of this garlic just to make sure that it's nice and soft. Okay, so my garlic has been cooked through. So now what you want to do is go ahead and add your green beans back in. And what you're going to do is just toss your green beans inside of your garlic. Now you want to go ahead and add your salt in, and this salted to taste. So you can add as much salt as you want. I'm gonna go ahead and give this a taste for season. Just gonna add a touch more salt. So this is done, and I'm gonna go ahead and plate this up so you guys can see what it looks like. As you can see, our beans are not overcooked. They're still bright in color. They have that nice snap to them when you break them in half like that. And they're really delicious and simple to make. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, put on your post notifications, and see you guys next time. Bye.